Okay, so hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and let's continue with the SQL series. So here's the PPT. Let's begin. So we in the previous class we studied about this where clause of SQL, right? So where is used as a condition in case of SQL. So we will see how we can use this and or and not operators in case of SQL. So what is and operator? So here are some points. Let's read it out and then we'll move to SQL, that is workbench. Okay, so the and or operators are used to filter records based on more than one condition. Okay, that means if you have two conditions to satisfy, then you can use and or. Okay, so the AND operator displays a record if all the conditions separated by AND are true, and OR works where only either of the one condition is true. And NOT operator displays a record if the condition is not true. That means we will look in the examples. Okay, so just understand what the meaning of these is, and then we will try to solve it. So here's the syntax for AND. So first we'll start with the select, then column names, then from which table you want to query the data, and then where and condition and the condition other conditions. Then there is OR syntax. So it goes same in case of AND, we just need to have OR. So after the not syntax goes the same way, but we need to write after where the not and then a condition. Okay, so let's go to SQL. So we will have a look on that. So first we'll have a look on the data. So as you can see, there are similar data, that is IMDb movies. Okay, so let's continue from here itself. So in case of where condition, let's look and have at the data. Like we will have all the rows where the director name is James Cameron and actor name is Joel David Moore. Okay, so select star from IMDb underscore movies. Okay, where so condition one is director name is James Cameron, right? Sorry, let's run this again. Okay, so let's copy field where director underscore name is equal to control V, and then what we want, actor 2 name is actor underscore 2 underscore name is equal to copy field, then we'll paste it. Okay, so as you can see, yeah, we need to place the semicolon. So now if I run this, we will get all the records where the director name is James Cameron and actor 2 name is Joel David Moore. Okay, so let's run this. So as you can see, you will get only one record where the director name is James Cameron and actor 2 name is Joel David Moore, right? So this is how AND condition works. Okay, now in case of this condition, if I take this condition itself and we will write, in case of AND we will write OR, so that we will understand what the difference is. Let's see whether it will work or not, because to understand if we get the different data, then you will understand it perfectly. Yeah, now we will understand. So as you can see, when we ran the AND query, we got only one record, but now when you can see the director name is James Cameron, okay, and or actor 2 name is Joel David Moore, that means the either of this condition is true, it will return all the records. As you can see, we got all the records with the director name James Cameron and also some other director is there, that is Brian Robbins, right? And we will get the actor to know name as Joel David Moore, right? So as you can see here, Joel David Murray is only twice present, and you can see other actors also. That means in case of other actors, there is James Cameron, right? So this is how OR condition works. So hope this helps, guys. And now what we can do is we can take this condition itself, select star from movies. That means we are getting all the records from IMDb movies where director name is James Cameron, and actor 2 name is not Joel David Murray. Okay, that means it will return all the records where actor 2 name is not Joel David Murray. Okay, so let's run this. So as you can see here, act 2 name is not this, right? So it will return all the different actors, but it will return all the directors where the director name is James Cameron. So if you want the condition to be false here, that means you can make use of not operator here. And if you want to satisfy the condition in both the scenarios, then you can use just the AND. Okay, now in case of OR also, it will return all the records, but now it will return many records. Okay, so let's check this also, how it works. So as you can see, it returns all the director names, James Cameron, and other actors also. Okay, so either of these conditions should be satisfied. That means if the director name is James Cameron, it will return all the records, and if the actor 2 name is not Joel David Murray, then it will return all the records in case of OR operator. Okay, so let's try one more thing, that is mixed record. So let's take this, that means a mix of and OR. Let's try that. Okay, so as you can see, I have selected select star from IMDb movies where director name is James Cameron, and actor 2 name is equal to either Joel David Murray or let's take Chris Bale. Okay, or actor 2 name is equal to Control V, and let's close the bracket. So now as you can see, I have written director name should be James Cameron, and actor 2 names can be either of these two. Okay, so let's run this. So as you can see, we will still get the actor 2 name is Joel David Murray, but as you can see here, actor 2 name is Christian Bale does not have the director with James Cameron. That's why we are getting only one record. Okay, so let's run this query first. Okay, so because we got many records. Okay, so now we have, okay, let's run this. We want this. I will make you understand this. Okay, don't worry. So we want Tia. Okay, let's copy this. Now we will get back to our query here. Now we will understand this, what we are doing here. Yeah, now we will see two records. Yeah, now you can see two records, right? That means we have two director names, James Cameron, and as you can see here, actor 2 name is either Joel David Murray or Tia Carey, I think so. So here we have used the mix and condition. That means we are taking the condition and, okay, and then we are checking either of the actors names. So this is how you can use the mix and condition. Now we can also make this complicated. That means we can use not actor 2 name is Joel David Murray. So let's check this. Yeah, as you can see, it will not return Joel David Murray now. Okay, so even if the actor 2 name is Tia Carey, and other actor 2 names are also written except the Joel David Murray. So this is how you can make the query complicated and return like expected results. You can play around with this and try to understand this MySQL workbench where we are using and, or, and not. Okay, So now as you can see, we are returning all the columns here, but if I want just only director names here, then what you can do is just return here, select, and in case of star we can write the column name. So similar way you can try different things also. Okay, so now we will get only 4 director names. Okay, so this is how it works. You can select whatever columns you need and other things with respect to the conditions. So this was all about and, or, and not operator. Okay, so let's try something else, that is order by. So order by keyword is used when you want to set the column records or the row records in a particular column, like particular order, that is either ascending or descending order. So the order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. Okay, so here's the syntax, that is select column 1, column 2 and whatever table name, then order by whatever column you want to return the records in order. Okay, and you can also specify ascending and descending. Okay, so let's check this also, right? So we will write a simple query to understand order by. So first we will return all the records, so see what we can do with the order. Sorry. So as you can see, we got some records here. So let's write a query, select star from IMDb underscore movies. Okay, and order by whatever column name we want to write. So we will order by duration here. Okay, duration, that means it will go from small to big. That means it will sort the data in ascending order. Let's check that. So as you can see, first the duration is empty, then it started with 100 and it will go on increasing. So let's limit it. That means we are limiting only 10 records here. Okay, as you can see, we will get only 10 records now. But as you can see, in case of order by, we can check with the help of director name here. Okay, so in case of director name, it is sorting descending. So if you don't specify, it will sort in ascending order. Okay, that means from A to Z. And if I specify the descending, sorry, control C, if I specify descending, then it will sort it in descending manner. So this is how it works, guys, order by. And if I check all the columns, then let's check this, it will sort or not. Yeah, as you can see, it is sorted according to the director name, Zach, then U, etc. And if I don't specify, then it will start from A, but director names. Okay, and with respect to all the columns. So this is how order by works. So if you want to sort the data with respect to some column, you can use order by director name. You can also use where clause. Okay, and then you can try some different things. So this was all about today, guys. Like we learned 2 things here, that is and, or, and not operators, and then the order by clause. Okay, so hope this helps, and if you like this video, do hit the subscribe button. Till then, take care, bye bye.